Hey guys, this is George Levin, founder of Hints. Our users often ask what's the difference between our CRM assistant and ChatSpot. So today I decided to explain my thoughts on the subject. So the first difference is that ChatSpot is universal tool for different scenarios. It has so many use cases like finding a right prospect, crafting emails, different research tools, whereas Hints is 100% focused on capturing information into your CRM and keeping your data in CRM clean and up to date. So, what it means? Uh, I guess for ChatSpot, it means that right now they're not really focused on this capturing part and updating part. They try to build more tools for different scenarios, kind of growing wide, whereas Hints is growing with more features and more precise capturing capabilities of the tool. I'll give you some examples. So here I keep ChatSpot open, CRM tab, and let's say if I want to create a new if I want to create a new contact or a new deal, they show me different templates. So let's say add a deal. I can put here deal name, hints, amount, close date, I don't know, October 1st. And what's going on? Sorry, I knew that you wanted to do it, but I had trouble doing it. Okay, let's try again. Template. Let's get back to CRM. Add a deal. Let's put just deal name. IBM. Okay, it doesn't work now, but it worked before. As you can see on the screen, I managed to create a test company Inc. It immediately replied that it works, but it's not the point. The point is right now they're not really focusing on this part. I think they more focus on research part where you can build some nice report to understand what's going on with your pipeline. And also, as we can see, it's a desktop tool, so it's built for users who interact with their CRMs from their laptop, from their personal computers. When Hints is built for mobile use cases, when you're on the go and need to update quickly some of your deals, log a call, log a meeting. That's why we rely on our integrations with WhatsApp, SMS, Telegram, because we believe that if you're on the go, it's easier to open your SMS or WhatsApp, send a voice memo or a text, and to update your CRM this way rather than opening an app and navigating in the menu of this app. I'll give you an example. So this is my WhatsApp, and let me create a new deal. So I'm using the same WhatsApp here. We'll just share my screen so you see how it works. Create a new deal, IBM. Add a new contact, Michael Smith, and create a task to call Michael tomorrow at 2 p.m. Most of our users, they update their deals or create new deals using voice memos, which is very convenient, especially for field sales when you move from one meeting to another. And they do pretty much the same thing that I did. They send these voice memos, then we transcribe this voice memos into text, and we break it down by different commands. So at the end of the day, everything will be in your CRM within about 20 seconds. So let's update my pipeline. Oh, that's actually a cool example. It's I wanted to cover this later, but you see what happened. I found an existing deal with the IBM. You can view it here. So let's open it. Should I proceed with this deal or create a new one? Okay, let's check. Yeah, I already created this IBM deal, probably when I was doing another demo. Create a new one. Why it's important and why I decided to focus on this. So this is a good illustration of supporting a memory. It means that our bot, it has a memory, it can keep the context of your conversation. So first, it tracked that the deal was already in my CRM. It doesn't want to create a duplicate. And then it could ask me a follow-up question, what do I want? And it understands my answer, create a new one, by just keeping the entire context of our conversation. ChatSpot can do this. It's an open information. They put it in the limitations on their website that the bot doesn't support short-term memory right now. Okay, now it replied that it successfully created a deal. Let's refresh my HubSpot. Yeah, here's the deal. IBM, call Michael. Here is Michael Smith. So everything worked out. To do the same thing with ChatSpot would be just impossible for now, at least. Maybe they will update this later. But my point isn't that we're doing something better. I'm going to illustrate that we have completely different focus. When they try to build a tool that could help you with as many different cases, as many different tasks as possible, we just focus 100% on updating CRM, catching duplicates, and helping sales reps to keep an order in their CRM. And also, we're more focused on field sales, on outside sales, let's call it this way, meaning that our main environment is mobile phone when you are between meetings and need to update something quickly. So right now I created a new deal. I sent a task there, but let's do something else. Let's, for instance, log a call. Log a call to this deal. Yesterday, 2 p.m. Great conversation with the client. We're waiting for their final approval. This is another illustration why supporting context and short-term memory is very important, because you can send a follow-up message referring to a specific deal without even giving a name of this deal. Basically, it's similar to it's similar to ChatGPT. I guess this is the closest example where you can have a conversation with a bot, and it understands and can keep the context of this conversation. Okay, so it logged the call. Let's refresh it. Yeah, so here is the call. Great conversation with the client. We're waiting for the final approval, and it logged it for 2 p.m. yesterday as I asked. So I guess this is it. Just wanted to explain that it's hard to compare these products because we build different things. And again, our main focus is helping sales reps updating their CRMs on the go by sending quick voice memos or text with what happened, what's the next step, what's the next task, and maybe less focused on data retrieval. You can also ask the bot, like, show me my tasks, show me what's for tomorrow. But from current user experience, I see that 90% of cases, 90% of users' requests when they ask us to do something are focused specifically on capturing information and avoiding a mess in CRM, like capturing duplicates, um, and other things to keep relevant forecasting your CRM. This is it. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.